things are heating up in the tech industry quite literally. Nvidia released the RTX for 5090 a few days back, and it's burning down again. Well, not the GPU, the connector at least. This Reddit user right here, they showed pictures of their system, and you can read the Reddit post in details in the description below. I'll put it in there so you can read it. But the story in a nutshell is that they connected the GPU, they double checked everything. After a few while of running, so they smelled burning from their system, from their power supply, and they got concerned and they pulled open the system and they found out their connector was burned. And here are the pictures, so you can see it. So it's bad, it's really bad. And for a $2,000 card, this should not happen. But the thing is that it's not happening for everyone. Like in the 4090's case, it was kind of like a common issue. It was made up of user error, it was made up of quality cables, like a lot of factors were at play. But in the 5090's case, it's really rare, and it's kind of happening at like very mysteriously, where no one can actually pinpoint the problem in this scenario. Nvidia is blaming Mod DIY, which is a cable provider based in China. Also, Mod DIY came out and said that you should not use their older 12 VHP WR cables. Nvidia has changed a few things in the new connector, which allows it to work much better than the older one. So don't just connect your 4090 power connector into your 5090. Things may not work out as good as it seems. It cannot be blamed on the user because the borrower, I hope I'm saying that correctly, he made a video about talking to the actual poster.
Who is Ivan and how experienced is he? What is his knowledge? And turns out that he is a true enthusiast and that he knows a lot.
For some reason it didn't work out really well, and he also made a video checking out the actual GPU and connector itself, so you can check out that video as well. I'll put it in the description too, so just check that out and see what actually may have happened. He went a lot deeper into it, so hope you guys can get a better understanding, and also stay safe if you're buying a 5090. Well, while I was recording that video, I just randomly popped into Tom's Hardware, so this right here, and yeah, there is another report of 50 series cars just dying. And is the Founders Edition, is like a common theme among this. It's like both of them are Founders Edition, the previous one and this one, and they are posted in the Reddit. So this is in the ASUS Reddit. Again, the link will be in the description if you want to read it as well. Sure to subscribe to the channel and like. I post tutorials and news like this, and also sometimes rant about stuff that happens randomly without any reason. So I hope you guys will follow along to this journey, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.